Who are you?
I am Rooster.
I am Chloe. Well, I might have to fly south for the winter.
You could stay at my place.
I'd rather not. But I'll see you in the summer, most likely, though. But because your owner will probably try and kill me or swat me out of the house, so I'd rather not be inside.
Oh, well, he's been trying to look for birds for years and trying to catch one. I've been trying to help him.
Well, I don't really know what to do.
He loves birds. He'll take good care of you. Let's be friends! Woohoo! Swing and swing.
Go! Wow, there's branches everywhere. I could literally sit on anything.
Well, bye. I can't wait to see you with your little birds.
Okay, bye to you too, I guess. Nice nest. Plop. Plop. Farts out big eggs. Alright, this is a
You're it! Ha! You're it! We're it! You're it!
No, I'm not. You're it.
1, 2, 3, 4. I declare thumb war.
3, 2, 1, ABC. 1, 2, 3, 4. I declare thumb war.
I'm gonna win!
No, you're not. 1, 2, 3, ABC. Haha, I beat you. Haha. So sad. Back out! I'll eat you. Like I ate those worms.
I'll eat you like I eat my food.
Covered in snow.
My bird.
Now back off, okay?
This is the ball I
I'm
got.
leaving.
I'd be a sea monkey's uncle. Fascinating. Usually dogs try to kill birds. I haven't seen one in years. I could use this one as a pet.
You can't catch me. Na, 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 boo. My babies. I need my children. I got some worms.
Well, I'll be a sea monkey's uncle. I can't believe there's a little baby here. Well, here's a nice warm place for you guys to stay. Can't imagine how cold it must be out there. Sorry about Rooster. I call him that because he likes to chase birds. With me now. At least we're together, best friends forever. Even though I try to eat you.
I'm sorry, it's getting really cold outside, and I need to fly south for the winter. So does my child, or else we'll die, and you'll have no friends. Okay?
Bye-bye. Best friends forever to the end.
Wow, did that dude just die?